Headlines are sounding like horror movies these days when it comes to descriptions of what is happening to the American economy. One says the impending destruction of the U.S. economy. Another cites economic gloom makes election new issue. And yet another explains U.S. rate cuts spark stock sell-off. Therefore, it is not at all strange for the Turks and Caicos and most of the rest of the world to be concerned with how and if Americans will spend money or if they will be discouraged by the prognoses and cut out extras like vacations and second homes. We spoke to the Deputy Premier who said the TCI is watching, experiencing a real estate sales slump, but wooing new markets to augment what we have and offset what we might be missing.
In spite of the situation, the Turks and Caicos Islands will still experience real growth in our economy this year. It probably is going to be less than what we had expected to be, but we still will see a high percentage of real growth in our economy this year. And I can say with confidence from persons that I've met with recently, investors as well as consumers in the market, they see the Turks and Caicos Islands as still being a very attractive place to invest and a very attractive place to come and live and to spend their dollars. So at the end of the day, I do think that our economy and the fundamentals in our economy happen to be strong, but we will not escape the sort of bite and the dipping of the economy. We will not escape that, but I think we will get through it a lot quicker.
A few months ago, a vandal wrote onto the roadway of Leeward Highway that the government is broke. It is a charge not uncommon to political leadership, and so when WIV4 had a chance to sit down in an exclusive interview with the Deputy Premier, we took advantage of the chance to ask him if the country is broke.
Contrary to popular rumor, all civil servants will be receiving their advance, and I think if they haven't been paid that already, they will shortly be paid that. We can pay salaries, we can meet our commitments, and we have very good assets in the Turks and Caicos. So the Turks and Caicos government and the Turks and Caicos is not broke. We are quite well off.
There is more to come from our Minister of Finance, including an update on Veranda, Molasses Reef, Seven Stars, and Winsome. In the meantime, the nation's money manager is confident that we will not feel the effects of the U.S. subprime crisis in the long term and that the Turks and Caicos has the resilience to bounce back from the dip.